Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our EVS class. Students, I hope you are keeping your notes complete, reading and learning your lessons regularly. Students, do you remember your previous chapter? Very good. It was about the rock. We learned that the hard and solid part of the earth is called rock. Rocks are of different types. Diamond, stone, granite and marble are the four types of hard rock. We can see different colorful marbles such as white, red, yellow and green. Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. Chalk and coal are another examples of soft rock. Chalk is used to write on the blackboard. Coal is used for cooking. Today we are going to learn a new chapter. Chapter number 16, our body. Students, do you know our body is an amazing machine? It has different parts that help us to move, think and feel. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. These bones and muscles are covered with skin. Now let's do one experiment. What do you feel when you press your wrist or finger? When you press your wrist, you can feel something hard because these are your bones. Students, do you know how many bones are there in the human body? There are 206 bones in the human body. Now, I am going to explain the important functions of the bones in the human body. First of all, bones support the body. Bones protect the delicate part of the body. They give a shape to our body and also help in the movement of the body. Now, we are going to learn another important parts of our body, that is muscles. Students, now stretch your arms and press your palm. What do you feel? You feel that your palm is very soft. The soft part around the bone is known as muscles. Children, do you know how many muscles are there in our body? It's very amazing. There are 600 muscles in our body. You can notice that the muscles of our arms and legs are big, but muscles of our eyelids are small. Students, there are muscles in our heart and stomach also. When you observe your body, you can notice that our muscles are fixed to the bones. Therefore, we cannot separate the muscles from our body. Students, do you know how these muscles and bones help us? Muscles and bones help us to work, run and play. Now, another learning point in this chapter is how should we take care of muscles and bones? Our muscles and bones need regular exercise. Exercise means to be active. Jogging, jumping, skipping, and swimming keep our muscles and bones strong and fit. Regular exercise and games keep our muscles and bones strong and fit. Another point in this chapter is posture. Students, what is the meaning of posture? Posture is the position of a person's body while sitting, standing, or walking. What you can observe in these pictures? In these pictures, we can observe correct posture and wrong posture. Correct posture keeps muscles and bones in good shape. Wrong posture results in the bending of the back and knees. It also results in muscle tension and back strain. Now I am going to explain three types of correct posture. First of all, good sitting posture. Students, as shown in the first image, the boy is sitting in a wrong posture. The second image is the correct sitting posture. Students, while sitting, you should sit up right. Let your back be straight against the back of the chair. Keep your chest up and your feet flat on the ground. Do not stoop or bend while sitting. The second type of posture is the good standing posture. Students, observe these two pictures. The first image is the correct standing posture. While standing, you should stand straight and erect. Place your feet comfortably apart while standing straight. The weight of your body should be distributed evenly over both the feet. Children, do not stoop as shown in the second image. The third type of good posture is good walking posture. Students, when you walk, you should walk straight and erect with your head held high. Swing your arms freely. Students, the correct posture keeps our muscles and bones in good shape. Now let's recollect all the important points that we learned. First of all, our body is made up of bones and muscles. Secondly, bones support and give shape to the body. Regular exercises and games keep our muscles and bones strong and fit. Posture is the position of a person's body while sitting, standing, and walking. Thank you, dear students.